Hey parents, it's Mrs. Young. So this week has a lot of things in class in store for us, including projects um, on the book that we're reading called Abduction. We have a scientific method project over paper airplanes that we're finishing up. So just lots of really cool things happening. But one of the things that I know parents and students both worry about is math, and so we have our big math celebration. Your kids have already gotten back their multiplying celebration, and everybody did amazing, like seriously amazing. Their grades are already in the grade book. You guys can look at those, but the kids can also share their scores with you as well. But then on Thursday, I think I already mentioned to you guys over Remind that the kids are going to be taking their big multiplying and dividing assessment. Now, never fear, I have been working with them over all these topics, and we're going to have a big review during MTSS tomorrow, as well as during math tomorrow, and then a final review during MTSS on Thursday before we take our big celebration. But if you would like your student to work at home, one of the things you can do is have them go to Google Classroom and then choose My Google Classroom. And then in the Google Classroom, you can have them go to Classwork. And then you guys can see that I've actually gone ahead and put Module 2 Review. And I know this looks like a lot. Each of these is only like 3 or 4 questions. But these are all targeted Khan Academy lessons. And so what the kids can do is they can actually choose any topic that they just want a little bit more practice in. They don't have to do all of them. It's not homework. I just wanted to provide something if they wanted to do a little bit of extra work at home. I'm also going to post the study guide tomorrow as well, but since we're doing it in class, I didn't want to post it tonight because that's one of the things that I want to talk to the kids about tomorrow before I post it and post the answers on Google Classroom tomorrow. So if you feel like you guys have time, or if you guys want to see how your kids are doing, then go ahead and click on any of these links, and it will take you directly to the Khan Academy lesson that I suggested for the kids. Hope you guys have a great night. Thanks.